Hello, everyone. I'm Teacher Teresa from VIP Kid, Go-Go Kid, Out School, and Varsity Tutor. I am bringing you today my really messy, nasty whiteboards who have seen better days. It's been a nice year since I gave them a really good scrub. So let's get busy cleaning our whiteboards. My favorite tool for cleaning whiteboards is hand sanitizer. Rubbing alcohol also works very well, but I like this because it's easy to clean up and it also sanitizes and mine smells good. So give your whiteboard a squirt and take a little rag. I usually use tissues because they don't scratch the boards and they're, not so bad for cleaning the whiteboards up. And they also make a really great whiteboard eraser if you don't want to invest in a regular eraser. So then we just scrubbity scrub, 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 wiping, 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 wiping the whiteboard clean. If you need to give it a second squirt, you can do that. You can see I have a little bit more still here. So I just squirt it again and continue wiping the whiteboard until all the nasty gunk is gone. And I'm left with a beautiful, shiny whiteboard. It makes a really nice clean surface. I also did the back earlier today, but I realized I didn't record, so I wanted to share with you how I clean my whiteboards. See you next time.